all the objective questions of chapter number 1, what is democracy, why democracy. It can also be asked making MCQ question also. So we have to prepare through objective questions. तो यहाँ से MCQ क्वेश्चन और ऑब्जेक्टिव क्वेश्चन दोनों बन सकते हैं. नाउ लेट्स वी डिस्कस व्हाट are the important MCQ or objective question answer. So let's we start from question number 1. The first one is that who led a military coup in Pakistan in October 1999? Now the correct answer is General Pervez Musharraf. Next question, name the Chinese parliament. The answer is National People's Congress. Next question, which party always formed the government in China? Correct answer, Communist Party. Next question, write the full form of PRI. Correct answer is Institutional Revolutionary Party. Question number 5, in which year Zimbabwe attained independence from white minority rule? Correct answer, 1980. Next question, which party started ruling Zimbabwe from 1980? The correct answer, ZANU PF. ZANU PF. Next question, who was the leader of the party ZANU PF? The correct answer is Robert Mugabe. Now from chapter number 2, constitutional design. The first question is that who was sentenced to life imprisonment in 1964 in South Africa to oppose the apartheid? The correct answer is Nelson Mandela. Now from chapter number 3, electoral politics. Who led the movement Nyay Yudh? Correct answer is Chaudhary Devi Lal. Next question, name the party formed by Chaudhary Devi Lal. Correct answer is Lok Dal. Next question, how many seats are reserved in Lok Sabha for SC? Correct answer is 84. Next question, how many seats are reserved for ST in Lok Sabha? Correct answer is 47 from 1st September 2012. Next question, the electoral roll is commonly known by which name? The correct answer is voters list. Next question, write the full form of IPIC. The correct answer is election photo identity card. Next question, what is the minimum age to be a candidate contest election? Correct answer is 25 years. Next question, party's nomination is called by which name? The correct answer is party ticket. Next question, which party gave the slogan Garibi Hatao, remove party in Lok Sabha election 1971 during Indira Gandhi period? Now the correct answer is Congress Party. Next question, who given the slogan self democracy from Janata Party in 1977? The correct answer is Jayaprakash Narayan. Next question is that which party given the slogan land to the tiller in 1977? The correct answer is the Left Front. Next question, according to our election law, how much money or amount can be spent by a political party in the campaign of Lok Sabha election and Vidhan Sabha election? The correct answer is during the Lok Sabha election 25 lakh, in Vidhan Sabha election 10 lakh. Next question, what is polling booth? The correct answer is the place where the election is conducted. Next question, what is a ballot paper? Answer is that a sheet of paper on which the names of the contesting candidates along with party name and symbols are listed. Next question, what is the full form of EVM? The correct answer is electronic voting machine. Next question, who appoints the chief election commissioner? The correct answer is the president. Next question, define the term incumbent. Now correct answer is sitting elected representative. Next question, define the term rigging. Now correct answer is fraud and malpractices indulged by a party or candidate to increase its votes. Next question, define turnout. Now correct answer is that the percentage of eligible voters who cast their votes in an election. Now the questions from chapter number 4, working of institutions. The first question, who is the head of the government? The correct answer is the Prime Minister. Next question, who is the head of the state? The correct answer is the President. Next question, who elect the President? The correct answer is the elected members of Parliament and the Legislative Assembly. Next question, who is the Supreme Commander of the Defence Forces of India? The correct answer is the President. Now next question, who advised the President to exercise all his powers? The correct answer is the Council of Ministers. Next question, who appoint the Prime Minister, the Chief Justice of India, other judges, the governors of the states, the election commissioners, the ambassadors, etc.? The correct answer is the President. Next question, who is elected the Prime Minister or appointed by the President? The correct answer is the leader of the majority party. Next question, name the legislature of United States. The correct answer is the Congress. Next question of this chapter, what is the tenure of President of US? The correct answer is 4 years. Next question, who appoints the judges of the Supreme Court and the High Courts on the advice of Prime Minister and the Chief Justice of Supreme Court? The correct answer is the President. Next question, who is usually appointed the Chief Justice of India? The correct answer is the senior most judge of the Supreme Court. And the last question of this chapter is, name the process by which a judge can be removed. Very important question. The correct answer is impeachment, passed by 2/3 members of the two houses of Parliament. Okay, all of you. So all the objectives and important questions completed. Best of luck for your exam. Have a nice day. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.